Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to go and do our grocery pickup from Walmart. I don't do it as often as I probably should, so I kind of forgot already what I ordered, so we'll have to see what I get. There's Ezra. We are actually on our way to go have some dinner first because if we're going grocery shopping, why make dinner? So I'm going to show you my favorite chicken sandwich. So we're just waiting for our food right now. It's Sonic, and I love their grilled chicken sandwiches, I guess, because, right, Ezzy? It's good stuff. And because it's just really basic. Lettuce, tomato, mayo, I'm good. And I can't wait. See that? That's just chicken and lettuce, tomato. So good. The seasonings aren't crazy on the marinade on the chicken. And there's not like extra flavors like blue cheese or ranch or chipotle anything or all that stuff that gets in the way of the flavor. And that's just to me, in my opinion. So easy, delicious, so good. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a Sonic grilled sandwich. All right, we just pulled in and they are about to bring our stuff out. But this is honestly like the best ever.
Good to go.
Thank you. She just loaded up our trunk and now we're done. Well, we just got home, so we're unloading all the groceries, and I think I'm gonna leave them in the bags and just kind of unload each bag because it's kind of like a present because I kind of forgot what I put on the order this morning. So, you know, you do it really early in the morning, so I don't remember. So I'm just going to unload and see if I have everything I need. First off, I got eggs and I got yogurt. So this will be great for Paul's lunches and for breakfast and cooking. Before I go on, I think I spent about 160 or so. It was kind of hard to determine because I kept adding more on, but that's okay because I feel like I got a lot. So let me get through this haul. All right, first up, I got some butter because we always need butter. Are you a room temperature butter on a dish or do you keep your butter in the refrigerator? I'd like to know because we keep it on a dish because it's just much easier to spread. I got some cilantro, which is going to be for a recipe, obviously Mexican. And that will be why I also have jalapenos. Jalapeno. All right. Okay, so it's almost Cinco de Mayo. Got some carrots for some snacking. Then some corn tortillas. Let me know in the comments also if you love corn tortillas. I just made a comment on somebody's Instagram that I really feel that corn tortillas bring in enhanced flavors that have to do with like avocado or like Mexican cheeses. Guacamole. So any of these things are going to be awesome with corn tortillas. Not that they aren't good with flour tortillas. It's just that it seems to like hide some of that flavor. So this good stuff. And then I got a couple of Grandma Sycamore. So we're just going to put those in the freezer. They're going to be for lunches. Okay, we got emergency pizza here. So just some pepperoni and some cheese. Now, these are emergency because if I have nothing else to cook and the kids are hungry, go make yourself a pizza. Am I right? I also had a substitution. So Ezra really likes the strawberry ones. They didn't have them, so they substituted that. But when they do a substitution, you're either going to get the least amount of price or at least an okay from you. So they got the okay. I got 10 pounds of rice because I also bought some things and items to stock up the pantry. So it looks like we're going to be having some more rice dishes in the future. I got some tater tots because I always like having some in the back freezer just in case I want to make some cowboy tater tot casserole or just for the boys to have with their emergency pizza. Okay. Also, I love having these sausages. They're very easy to cook up, and they are just the perfect size for an English muffin. I got some strawberries because I make my own jam. I'll try to link it right here. How about that? That'll be helpful. But I do like to make it myself because I like to control the amount of sugar that goes into it. And I got some orange juice for an upcoming recipe, and the boys will be happy to drink whatever is left. I got some Granny Smith. Now, these look pretty okay. I think there's one that might be a little bit not. So that's kind of the risk you take about letting them pick out the fruits and vegetables for you. But I feel like if I got a bag of them, then there'd be more bruised inside or more misshapen or something like wrong with them. So I thought, let's try it. Maybe I'll just make sure I always get my own fruits and vegetables. But I got some more peanut butter. We're a little bit low, and I like getting my peanut butter at Costco. So this is just gonna hold us over until I can get there. I also got happy because I forgot I put this on my list. We still have some wheat thins, so I thought, you know, a cheese ball would be perfect for that. So if you haven't had this one's really good. It's just cheddar. It's not smoky. I'm not a fan of smoky foods. So this is just cheddar. I like it. I mean, if I can't make it, then at least I could get this one. I got some sour cream for baked potatoes, and I got some sliced cheddar for sandwiches. My second son loves cheese sandwiches. I did get some petite tomatoes. My family prefers these more than just regular tomatoes, diced tomatoes. So I'm just gonna keep those in the pantry. I got 4 of them. And I got a huge bag of chicken breasts. Now, these ones are comparable in price to Costco, but you'll get way more chicken breasts, actual chicken breasts in the bag rather than Costco size, which are ginormous, which is kind of weird if you think about it. So this will make a few different meals for our family. I got some more bananas, and these ones look pretty good, so I'm very happy with that. I also got some the Gala apples. So I thought that would be fun to just make some apple nachos with some a little melted peanut butter and some chocolate syrup. It's very good. Nice little dessert. I also got some broccoli florets. So that'll be a really good side, especially for Sunday when we're having potatoes and we'll have broccoli and maybe some grilled chicken. It's perfect. Not this Sunday, obviously, because it's Cinco de Mayo. I got a couple of bags of these pretzels. These are perfect for my kids' lunches. They my kids prefer them over chips, so I'm happy to get those. And they actually last a while. I have this for a upcoming recipe and some milk chocolate chips. I also got a bag of these chips. They're fairly inexpensive, but I'm so glad. I'm going to show you in a little while what I got at our nearest Mexican meat market store, which is one of my favorites. And I did get another bag of chips, so they won't go to waste. So we're also stocking up the pantry, like I said. So I got 6 of these smaller cans of sauce and just a couple of these green chili cans. That will make a rotel, especially with those diced, the mini petite diced tomatoes. And then a couple more of these cream of chickens, good for casseroles. So now we put all of this away and unload some more. Okay, I saw these on the website and I thought I would try them, these salad kits. You just never know, right, with Walmart brands, but these are looking really good. So this one is sunflower bacon crunch, and I'm loving these chopped salads. And then obviously this was pecan cranberry with kale. So I thought that would be good with as a side salad for a dinner, right? I mean, that's bringing in some of the veggies. I got some protein bars for Paul and some milk, because we are probably going to have some leftovers from Fruit Loops. This is going to be an upcoming little mini recipe that I'm going to show. I also got some self-rising flour, and this one I'm so excited to try. So I can't wait to show that one to you too. So be expecting some really fun recipes coming up. I got also some more pancake mix. Now remember, I've used this one a lot and I've probably shared it a bunch, but this one is just to add water. Now I'm not a fan of the crust, I think it's Crusties that the Costco sells. I don't like it. It's not my favorite. It leaves a funny aftertaste to me, a little bitter or like a soury. I'm not a fan. So this one does not have it, and it is so good. And I also have a homemade recipe that is just great, but honestly, it tastes the same. So working mama here, add some water, we're good. And then I got a couple of ground beefs that I'm not sure we're gonna use with them yet, but that's okay, because that's part of the fun with making dinners, is just kind of looking in the pantry and creating. All right, I have a couple of these. These are our favorite drinks. The kids will drink it a lot faster, and I'm happy that they're drinking water. And a lot of times we'll do half juice, half water, just so it's even more watered down. I got some plain Greek yogurt for a recipe coming up. And then, of course, this is the kids' favorite part, all of the wannabe Girl Scout cookies. I'd like to say that this will last forever, but once it's open, seriously, kids are like all over them. So I usually try to put, if I open up a bag, I'll try to put them quickly into little snack baggies, about 2 or so in each one, so they can have them sectioned off for their lunches. But these are only about $1.50 each, so that's not a lot of money. And then right behind me, I have some potatoes, some toilet paper, and then some like household stuff, like office stuff. Like this is for my classroom, some cardstock and folders, and then those are the little snack baggies. But let me show you what I got from our Mexican meat market that's close by. So I told you that I bought some of this because I also bought something else, and I don't think he put it in my bag, but I don't think I bought it either. So I think he gave it to the person behind me, and I'm so upset because it was only the best guacamole ever. I mean, aside from Tina's, of course. But this guacamole, I might have to go back and get some more because, or actually pay for it and actually take it with me. Okay, that's okay. I'll show you why I went. But look at also these beautiful dark red strawberries. You know these have to be nice and sweet, and they're not overripe. So I am super excited. They smell so good. And you know how sometimes when you get strawberries, they're like kind of like, you know, orangey or, you know, yellowy, greenish, not quite ripe. So I kind of hesitant about getting strawberries because you might get like 2 that's good out of the bunch. Look at that, you guys. And the display was full of these. So we're definitely gonna have these for breakfast tomorrow. So the reason I even went was because I got these for my class. These are conchas. They're like a sweet bread, like a pan, and it is truly, truly a childhood memory of eating these yummy, yummy treats. They're not overtly sweet. They're actually probably eaten more with coffee or teas in the morning. But as a kid, I loved them. And I got them because my class is celebrating Cinco de Mayo. So these last couple of days, I had some for my class yesterday. And then I actually had enough for my both classes. But my kids got into them and loved them so much too. So I had to go back. So we're going to have another supply, and these are actually super good, put into the freezer and just eaten right out of the freezer. I may have had that myself. So I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel today. Give this video a thumbs up if you love watching hauls. I'm a fan of hauls too, and I need to get back there and get my guacamole because hello, I need that. I have chips calling for it. So thanks for stopping by, and Saturday I'll be having a live, and I can't wait to show you. I'm going to be creating something. So I hope you'll visit at 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.